Manage your solid-state drive SSD like Houdini. If you have Samsung SSD, go to samsung.com/SSD download tools. With the advanced Magician software, an exclusive set of essential tools equip you like a pro. Stay ahead with automatic updates, check drive health and speed, and enable speed boosting rapid mode, all with one simple download. Inspect your SSD and access critical data to detect possible drive failure before it happens. Check your SSD's sequential and random read-write speeds, so you can always keep your system at its fastest. Get an instant diagnosis of your drive, including total bytes written to assess the overall health and estimated remaining lifespan of your SSD. Ensure potentially sensitive data is properly and fully discarded, without damaging your drive. Protect your important data by choosing security options granted to you. Magician provides information on how to activate each option.
Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.